Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this gorgeous paper magnet in the form of a paper rose with the two leaves. So we will need to, in order to create the paper rose, a piece of paper and something rounded in order to trace and draw a circle. So with the pencil we will start to draw our circle, and we will cut the circle with a pair of scissors. Okay, we will now round the border. I will show you in just a second how to do it. Okay, this is our circle. Now we will create this motif, and we will use this better to start to create the paper rose and then after to create the motif. Okay, we will need to create a sort of spiral, so we will start here and then we will go with we cut till the center of this piece of paper. Okay, we will have this result. Now we will create the motif in this way. You will need to start here and round the border, and then in this way, and we will do this motif till the end of the spiral. It doesn't be perfect. Okay, we are approaching the final part. Okay, perfect. Now we will need to create the rose, the paper rose. To do this we will need something rounded like a brush, and we will start to create our paper rose. You will need to do in this way around your piece of paper, your spiral, around this brush. Okay, our paper rose is taking form. Okay, we will leave this part in this way because this will be our final part where we will glue the rest of the rose. Now, okay, here your rose, and now we will need to glue this paper rose to the final part with some tacky glue. We will need to do in this way. Put some glue here and then at the bottom of the paper rose. Now we will need to press down our paper rose with the finger. You will press your paper rose. Now we will need to leave the paper rose to dry. Okay, voila. While the paper rose is drying, we will create the 2 leaves. We will need a piece of green paper. The leaves, you can create them in this way. Take the scissors and then create a sort of leaf. Voila. And then the other one. Okay, and then refine this. Voila, here the leaves. If you want, you can create them and size down them. Voila. Okay, now even if the glue in this moment is not dried, we will attach our leaves here and the other one. Voila. Press down. Here your paper rose, and then we will need a magnet. Here my magnet, and we will glue the magnet here with some tacky glue, and we'll leave it to dry. Press down your magnet. If you want, you can in this time round a little with your fingers the leaves. Press down, and here the finish paper rose. Voila. Now the glue will be dry, and then your magnet will be ready. Voila. I think it's a quite nice idea, and you can gift this paper rose magnet to your friends or for yourself. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.